Welcome back to Product Critique, your guide to the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into what could be the best RJ45 plug available on the market right now. The trueCABLE Cat6 RJ45 pass-through modular plugs. Let's see why these are generating so much buzz. The trueCABLE Cat6 RJ45 pass-through modular plugs have been making waves, and for good reason. They're designed to eliminate the frustration of traditional RJ45 terminations by featuring a pass-through design. This means no more load bars, reducing waste and ensuring a smoother installation process. You can see the conductors through the plug, which helps verify correct color sequences, minimizing errors during terminations. They're engineered to minimize crosstalk with a push-pull method that seats the cable jacket deep into the plug. Plus, they feature triple-pronged, gold-plated contacts for reliable connectivity. They work with both 23 Aruban fluorine stranded and solid conductors, accommodating cable jackets up to 8.00 mm in diameter. They meet ANSI TIA 568-2D standards and are validated with trueCABLE FUTP Ethernet cable. Plus, they're all listed and FCC compliant. Why should you consider these for your next network installation? The pass-through design simplifies the termination process, making it accessible even for those new to network installations. Performance. They support power over Ethernet including 4P PoE up to 100W, ensuring they're future-proof for high-power applications. Reliability. With shielded construction and external ground connectors, these plugs provide robust protection against interference. In conclusion, the trueCABLE Cat6 RJ45 pass-through modular plugs are a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their network connections. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, these plugs offer unmatched convenience, performance, and reliability. If you're interested in learning more or picking up a set for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching.